Hi, I'm going to show you today how to make a nutritious shake, a kiwi strawberry one. It's going to be a cup of almond milk, unsweetened. So that's important because you don't want to get the pre-sweetened one. That adds like 60 calories. This is only 30 calories for a cup if you get that. So I'm going to add in a cup of that, already measured. I'm going to add in, I've got a couple of fresh strawberries already cut up, a couple of fresh kiwis. I got both of these at the farmer's market. Springtime, perfect season for strawberries. They're really sweet right now. Next I'm going to add 2 scoops of this Herbalife French Vanilla flavor, Formula 1 mix. So if we look at that, it is only 90 calories. And it is pretty tasty. Comes with a little scoop. It's even a little bit less. It's still going to taste good. Now I'm going to add in some nutritious things. So I've got just a little handful of spinach that I washed. Stems and all, don't even worry about cutting it. And then just because I had some on hand, I have a little bit of top of beets. So these are called beet greens. We're going to add a little bit of red color to us because they were red beets. So I just cut the tops off of those just for a little extra fun. Now I'm going to add just a couple ice cubes over here. Flying ice cubes. Then I'm going to put them on, this little thing is a Ninja. This is just this cheap little model Ninja. I think I got for like 50 bucks. It's pretty fast, a lot easier than a blender to clean and to use. So, got my Ninja. Just do this, gonna blend it for like a that out. See, got a little bit of that red color extra on top of the green from the spinach and the greens. That goes with our kiwi and strawberry, red and green. So, I'm just going to stick a straw in there, a little rubber straw that I have. It's really good, nice and sweet. Also got some greens in there for nutrition. Thanks for watching.